गुड मॉर्निंग एवरी एट सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस है चैप्टर 7 है एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस द कवरिंग ऑफ योर सराउंडिंग द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड एटमॉस्फेयर वी हैव स्टडी अबाउट in this unit it has been pointed out what kind of adverse effects have taken place in atmosphere owing to selfish motives carried out by man the information of to what extent how industries, factories, power stations, vehicles, wars, atomic reactors, hospitals, etc. have polluted the atmosphere is given information in this unit. What was our average life earlier and how much is it today? If we think about this, we can understand how far the atmosphere has been polluted, how to protect the atmosphere, how to lessen the damage being done to it, why do such changes take place, what remedies can there be sought. Every human being on the earth has to think about it. It is high time to so अभी क्वेश्चन 1 है why are the doors and windows made of glass in the countries that have cold climate in the countries with cold climate that get very little sunlight so to get heat mean जहाँ जो ऐसी कंट्रीज जहाँ पे कोल्ड क्लाइमेट ठंडा क्लाइमेट होता है और वहाँ लिटल सनलाइट थोड़ा सा ही सनलाइट आता है सो टू गेट हीट इज इनफ डिग्री इफ़ दे हैव ग्लास डोर्स एंड विंडोज द हाउसेज कैन हैव सनलाइट एंड हीट इज मेंटेन इसलिए वो लोग कांच के डोर्स और विंडोज़ करवाते हैं जिससे सनलाइट और हीट इज मेंटेन रहता है We know that a defined quantity of sugar or salt has to be added in the vegetables or tea. What would happen if we add more sugar or salt? In the same way, there is a balance of proportion of gases in the atmosphere. Imagine that what would happen to this balance if the proportion of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere. If the proportion of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, there would be gradual rise in the average temperature of the earth. There would be a problem of climate change. Man's nature would become irritable. The snow on the poles would start melting. Certain animals and birds would die. There would be a great disturbance in routine physical activities. Next question 3 है what kind of residence should we have to protect ourselves from the effect of increasing temperature. To protect ourselves from the effect of increasing temperature our houses should be like the following. The houses should be fitted with such doors and windows that sunlight would easily enter the house. The ceiling should be reasonably high. For good circulation of air, we should have cross doors and windows. The ceiling should have a little slope so that it does not catch more heat. If it has slope, sunlight would get reflected and it would not get heated so much. A good house must have a chimney fitted at a proper place to carry away smoke arising from hearths, stoves, gas stoves, etc. And kitchen or a kitchen should be fitted with exhaust for and proper ventilation. Maximum wood should be used to prepare a house. What is climate? An average atmospheric condition of temperature, humidity and rain of more than 35 years at any region is called the climate of the region. What do you mean by greenhouse effect? The heat coming along with sun rays one having entered into the atmosphere. It is not allowed to go back into the space after getting reflected from this called greenhouse effect. In the countries with cold climate, they have less sunlight, therefore the development of plants, vegetables and trees is prevented to have enough heat there. For an artificial arrangement, they have a ceiling of glass or so absorb that heat, preserve. This arrangement is called greenhouse effect. What is global warming? Global warming means the greenhouse effect causing heat in the Earth's temperature. The covering surrounding the Earth is being polluted by human activities. The atmosphere gets polluted by industries, factories, power stations, and vehicles. As a result, the global temperature rises and there are changes in temperature, direction of wind, humidity, etc. List down the possible adverse effect of global warming. Answer: there could be the following adverse effects resulting from global warming. There have been changes in the produce in the growing period and in the life nature of vegetation. Certain species of birds are getting extinct. 2000 snow rivers of the Himalayas are getting melted. There has been alarming rise in the droughts, cyclones, excessive rain, and flood. The degree of rain where previously it was high is getting less. Rajasthan and Dubai are having more rain now, and Cherrapunji is facing drought. The produce of pulses is getting less in agriculture. The level of water underground is lessening. The water level of ocean is on the rise owing to the melting of snow rivers. With the rise of temperature, people will fall victim to dehydration and maturation. There will be change in the cycle of seasons. The characteristics of winter and summer will change. The coastal line of Gujarat will increase up to 25 km and more land will turn salty. Constant fall is recorded in the agriculture produces. The proportion of diseases like cholera, dengue, malaria, yellow fever, swine flu, etc. is getting high. The coastal areas like Maldives, Bangladesh, Philippines, Islands, West Indies, Islands, and some parts of Australia continent will gradually get down. List down the home appliances of daily use that add to global warming. In our daily routine, we use the following home appliances which may add to global warming: motor car, tube light, air conditioner, computer, TV, fridge, etc. Which country hosted the last World Convention to protect the environment? To protect environment for framing a world policy to protect environment, a meet was held in Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, in 1790. There was held conference of all the representatives on the earth, and Rio de Janeiro of Brazil in 1992. A meet of world level related to global warming was held in Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark, in December 2000. Next, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Increase in the proportion of the blank gas has led to an increase in the global temperature. Answer आएगा carbon dioxide. Increase in the proportion of the carbon dioxide gas has led to an increase in the global temperature. Number 2. CFC is released in maximum due to the use of blank appliance. तो आंसर आएगा AC means air conditioner. Number 3. There has been an increase of blank Celsius in the temperature of the earth in the last 100 years. तो कितना आएगा 0.6 Celsius in the temperature of the earth in the last 100 years. Number 4. It is necessary to make blank use of resources to check the increase in the global temperature. The answer आएगा judicious. It is necessary to make judiciary use of resources to check the increase in the global temperature. ये आपका क्या हो गया? ट्रू फॉल्स हो गया. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके आपको मैं शॉर्ट आंसर, शॉर्ट नोट्स, ट्रू फॉल्स और जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो करवाऊँगी, मैथ फॉलोइंग करवाऊँगी, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करवाऊँगी. ठीक है, थैंक यू.